Good morning, everyone. It's our last day in Budapest. So last night, after attending Coldplay's concert, all of us were really tired. So we just ordered some food in our hotel. We ate and then we slept off. We're starting our day a little late today. It's 12:15 and we're headed towards a brunch spot. ये हमारा routine बन गया है सुबह का. हम सुबह उठते हैं, then we look for a brunch spot and then we go there and वहाँ से हम decide करते हैं कि अब करना क्या है. But feels so. I think both of us feel really lucky and grateful that
got to experience
God gave us the experience of attending such a beautiful concert. And I hope that हम दोनों लाइफ में मेहनत करते रहें, ग्रो करते रहें ताकि हम ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस और ले पाएँ. सो हमारा ट्रिप आई थिंक 80% अब ख़त्म हो चुका है. आई थिंक 3 more days to go and then we leave for India. So अभी भी हमारे पास 3 दिन है, so we're gonna make the most out of it.
Yeah.
Create memoric memories and enjoy ourselves.
Now I'm far away. These memories still.
So we're at this cafe brunch. टेबल मिल गया है पल्लवी और मैं. वैसे हम तीनों अलग अलग टेबल्स पे बैठे हैं. That's one table, this is one table and हमें ये finally टेबल मिला है. But all thanks to you guys. You were here first.
And they will also not join the table.
और ये बैठे हुए थे यहाँ पे. मैंने बोला कि can I pull a chair and sit with them? उसमें ही मना.
अब ना ग्रेनोला बोल कर दे.
हाँ कर सकते हैं. Just got done with our brunch and no doubt the food was really nice. One of the best breakfasts that I've had since we've come to Europe. Their omelette was really nice. एकदम जैसे घर पे बनता है, like खूब सारा onions, peppers, mushroom, cheese. Now the plan is that since it's our last day in Budapest, we are planning to shop for everyone back at home. So यहाँ पे एक fashion street है. वहाँ पे हम लोग जाने वाले हैं. पूरा दीदी, we're going to the fashion street
Yes.
to shop for our loved ones.
Yes. And us ones.
And us ones also. हमने ब्रंच वाली जगह से लाइम ले ली थी because it was a 15-minute walk and it was 6 minutes by this line. Now we're going to their fashion street, just a place जहाँ पे सारे outlets हैं.
Oh, and also I just got mistaken for a local. There was an Indian guy at the traffic light who said, "Can you please tell me the directions to this metro?"
अच्छा, he thought you're from here?
Yes.
Nice.
And I was like, I said, "Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know." He said, "Oh, you're Indian." He says, "You look like you're from here." I
दिल्ली
said,
से हूँ.
I said, "Yes."
This
He
may
can
be a
stop me.
sign
That
कि
you
हमको
moved to
यहीं रहना
Budapest.
चाहिए. Yes. So ये पूरा ऐसे lively रहता है till 5-6. Then these guys call it a day early.
फिर ये 8 बजे के बाद यहाँ पे कहीं
दिखते ही
खाना
नहीं
मिलता है.
फिर यहाँ के शेडी लोग बाहर आते हैं टैटू वैटू लगा के, लाइक लाउड म्यूजिक इन देयर कार्स. थोड़े बहुत कपड़े लिए. पल्लवी ने जैकेट ली, शिवम भैया ने जैकेट ली. इनको अभी वियना में वी आर प्लानिंग अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रिप. आई रियली होप दैट इट प्लान्स आउट. वो मैं बाद में बताऊंगा, अभी मैं नहीं बता रहा बिकॉज अभी वो पक्का नहीं है कि हम वहाँ जाएंगे या नहीं जाएंगे. तो थोड़ा बहुत सबने शॉप किया. मेरे को तो ज़्यादा कुछ यहाँ मिला नहीं. नॉर्मल कपड़े हैं, जैकेट्स हैं एंड ये सब तो ऑलरेडी यूरोप आने से पहले इतना लिया है. एंड किसी और के लिए लेना भी सेंस नहीं बनता बिकॉज साइज़ वाइज सब एंड इट्स एग्जैक्टली द सेम जो इंडिया में मिलता है. नाउ द प्लान इज़ यहाँ पे बुडापेस्ट में देयर इज़ अ वेरी फेमस थर्मल स्पा. So concept is that there are a lot of big pools with different temperatures of water. So वहाँ पे you can spend a couple of hours, you can get a spa. It's a very different experience. So when we were coming here, we were planning कि हम ये करेंगे. So that place is I think 10-15 minutes from here. So Tanvi and Satyam are headed to the hotel. So are Purva Didi and Pallavi. They are going to get their clothes. एंड शुभम भी एंड मैं यहाँ पे एक मेरे को कसिनो देखा था. इट्स कॉल्ड द लास वेगस कसिनो. सो आई रियली वांट टू सी वो अंदर से कैसा है एंड द कसिनो दैट वी बिन टू, हाउ इज इट डिफरेंट हियर. शुभम भैया लेट्स गो. यहाँ पे तो हमारा थोड़ा सा कट गया बिकॉज यहाँ पे दे वर आस्किंग फॉर ओरिजिनल पासपोर्ट्स इफ़ यू हैव टू एंटर. वो हमारे पास ऑब्वियसली नहीं था. इट्स इन आवर होटल. सो अब हम वापस जा रहे हैं. वेलकम बैक. इफ यू आर वंडरिंग व्हाई आई एम वेयरिंग अ कैप, सनग्लासेस, अ लॉट ऑफ सनस्क्रीन एंड माय स्विमिंग शॉर्ट्स. They're headed to their hammam spas. We're headed towards there.
Thermal spa.
So tell everybody something about it, Pallavi.
So there is this thermal spa, this is supposed to be their biggest, which has about 3-4 outdoor pools and 16 indoor pools. 15 indoor pools, and they do like massages and all also, and also like medical treatments. It was.
By the way guys, अब यहाँ पे proper दिल्ली वाली गर्मी नहीं हो गई है?
Apparently दिल्ली में 46 है अभी.
लग रही है यहाँ पे चुभने वाला sun and चुभने वाली गर्मी लग रही है अब. So we're at the Shenzheni thermal spa and bath. This entire place is really huge. This was built in 1912 and 1909 से ये बन रहा था. जितने भी Turkish लोग थे, they introduced this concept of thermal bath, thermal spas for recreational purposes, for relaxation purposes. And आज की डेट में this is a huge tourist attraction in Budapest. यहाँ पे currently there are 18 pools with hot spring waters. And there are outdoor pools also. You need an entire day to chill at this place. This is one of the thermal baths. These are hot spring waters. This is how it looks. So we started our plunging in the pool. There are 18 pools. We started from that one. That was 38 degrees. There are 2 more pools. एक 40 degrees था और एक कितना degrees है ये?
20.
This was 20 degrees. But कैसा लगा guys?
It was so
How is the
refreshing,
feeling?
invigorating, absolutely lovely.
But rejuvenation लग रही है?
yes.
Guys, rejuvenation लग रही है? हमारे इंडोर पूल्स अभी 2 हो गए हैं.
4 हो गए.
4 हो गए हैं. 4 हो गए हैं. And हम अभी बाहर आए हैं. And this is how it looks. Done with our thermal spa day. How was it guys?
Very nice.
For everyone?
Very relaxing.
Rejuvenating था बहुत ज़्यादा.
And it was a
मेरा
fun
कुछ
day.
गिरा था ना?
Yeah.
It was a fun day, yeah. सारे pools में हमने plunge किया. Whoever is coming to Budapest, I'll highly recommend this.
वातावरण अच्छा है.
वातावरण काफी अच्छा है.
Vastavarana.
So you can come enjoy.
It's a vibe.
So now we are going back to our hotel and then
Do a fancy dinner by the river, hopefully.
Yes.
That's the plan. But we'll see.
We'll
आपको
see you
पता है,
soon.
you guys know how our track record with
we
food
always
has been.
miss.
yeah.
So,
नहीं but
we'll
आज
see.
breakfast I'm really happy with my
Yeah,
breakfast. today.
yeah.
हमने सिर्फ 60% कवर करे होंगे. अभी बहुत सारे थे जो हमने नहीं देखे बट हमारी हिम्मत भी नहीं थी और करने की. It's a huge area.
Chicken also.
हम प्लान सुन रहे हैं.
It is 8:15 right now. We are meeting again at 8:40.
और अगर हम थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए उससे क्या repercussions होंगे?
You are paying for dinner
Okay.
for everyone, including my drinks.
There's no plan अभी where we're going. But all of us are ready.
We found another
What is
KFC.
KFC हाँ. कल रात को भी हमने KFC खाया. That was the only savior that we had because when we came back from Coldplay around 12ish, all the restaurants were shut. There was no reservation and online भी सिर्फ there was this Asian place and KFC. So KFC was safer, so we had that. So we're out and we're taking the Lime. मेरी favorite चीज़ यहाँ की.
यहाँ से right.
यहाँ से हमारा dinner place है. कितना है पल्लवी? 900 meters. We're at this really beautiful restaurant called the Opium. And Pallavi, how did you get the reservation here?
Just walk in.
Just
And your
walk
luck.
in. हम जब पहुँचे उन्होंने कहा you have 5 minutes if you can quickly order and sit, then we can take you.
Pass that bottle around the campfire, sipping apple pie moonshine. Yeah, we picking on them guitars just right. Everybody singing Dixieland delight, like a barber on a wet line. We just trying to catch a good time.
After having dinner, we met Nikita and Achal for the last time in Europe because they leave tomorrow. Have a safe flight, guys.
Thank you. You guys have a safe train.
Yeah.
Yes.
And see you very soon.
On 22nd.
Okay. Bye bye.
And all thanks to Chris Martin.
Yes.
We love you.
Thanks Coldplay for this.
Best day.
A trip that was planned a year ago.
Yeah.
23rd June
finally
2023.
We booked it.
So now we're gonna plan our next trip.
And
Yes.
Yeah.
we're gonna book our tickets again.
Probably
Yes.
Taylor Swift.
Swift. Let's hope Taylor Swift.
Very
और अगर
soon.
Adele कहीं पे perform कर रही है, you guys will have to go for Adele also.
John Mayer also.
ठीक है फिर.
सब
काम हम छोड़ो, let's go on a world tour.
Yeah.
Okay guys, ciao.
Next.
Have a safe flight. Bye bye. Bye guys.